Excalidraw is the lean, lightning-fast sketchboard for thinkers who want frictionless drawing, clear hand-drawn visuals, and local-first simplicity. Use it when you need fast idea capture, sketches that look human, and a tiny cognitive load for single contributors or small teams. Miro is the heavyweight collaboration canvas built for structured workshops, complex templates, and cross-team facilitation. Choose it when you need built-in frameworks, integrations with product and design tools, robust permissioning, and live team coordination at scale. The rule most people get wrong is treating them as interchangeable. Pick Excalidraw if your goal is speed, low setup, and authentic-looking whiteboard exports. Pick Miro if you must run async collaboration, workshops, and handoffs with stakeholders and tools. So here's a practical test. Run the same 30-minute workshop on both. If you spent more time managing boards and permissions, that use case needs Miro. If you finish faster and ship clearer ideas, Excalidraw is the right call.